3 decades after the debut, this Air Jordan comes with the OG colorway, and today we're gonna have unboxing day. Let's go! What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today's is unboxing day with Air Jordan Retro. Actually this one has been sitting for a while, and actually this sneaker I bought it by surprise because they did a shock drop couple days ago, about weeks ago. I'm not sure, but today they released this sneaker actually on all Footside sneakers app, and since I already got this one and shock drop, so we're gonna do the unboxing today. There we go. Actually we pick up two, and this one it's just the same sneaker, but I can't remember if it's the same size or what, but when they did a shock drop while I was browsing my phone and looking to social media, I was surprised they did shock drop. Okay, we got one. So let's take the other one too. And we still got the classic Air Jordan box right here with the Jumpman. Boom! Look at those. Still classic box. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so actually they are just the same size now. Okay, here we go. This is what we got. So this is the Air Jordan 5 Retro OG colorway, true white, fire red, and black. So we picked up two of these in size 11.5. Good thing and it's not my size, so I'm not gonna keep them. So let's take them out. So this one comes with just the OG box colorway, and that's it. Pop that open. Boom! Wow! Wow! Whew! That looks clean. Wow, look at those. Nice color and really premium leather, not bad. Okay, so we got here the Air Jordan 5 Retro OG colorway. Wow, so this comes it's been like 3 decades when they released this one. After the debut, the Air Jordan 5, and they are back, and the same OG colorway comes with the upper most dominantly white leather meets the contrasting black midsole with some kind of fire red and blazing flame right here. Ooh, very classic, very classic. And also check out those icy bottom. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, now I want them on my size now. Check out this also lace locks right here. Nice one. And they covered the tongue, which is covered with some kind of paper right here. I believe this one is kind of transparent-ish, and it's really looks clean. Not bad. Quality, very soft, and most of what I like all of the sneaker is that has a lot of collar padding, or right here and inside. This what I like because I have some issue with my ankle, especially when playing basketball way back then. But wow, can't believe I didn't got them in my size. Wow. And I paid, actually it's almost all of them are sold out when I got them. So this is the size 11 that I bought, and actually I used two different accounts to purchase them, and luckily I got three used the three phone and iPhone, and then pick up two. So not bad, two out of three. Wow, not bad for this one. Check that quality all over. Wow, nice, right? Can you please leave a thumbs up? What do you think? So what we know about this one? Michael Jordan rocked this same sneaker OG colorway way back March 28, 1990 as an accident squad from Chicago battled Cleveland, eventually winning in overtime behind a career high of 69 points on that game. Wow, that is like, whoa, 69 points in a game. Is there anyone who can beat that one? I believe Kobe did. But anyway, well, history and the sneaker is always what we always like. Behind the story of a Jordan retro. Ooh, I know this one is a massive release just today because they did the GS and then toddler sizes. So I would say not bad for this one, because if you are keeping it, it's not bad if you want to have them in your collection. But the main thing, if you want to invest into it, resell them, it's gonna be kind of little, it's gonna be take a while to resell them, and especially when everyone got their pair today and then everyone trying to resell it. So after that, probably make the money, probably some more for 40, 50, 60s, but not that much. But the main thing is, if you wanna cop this for pair of collection, well, you got a chance to get them in your collection. So checking on the StockX right now, these are selling for 260. Let's check out. The cheapest that they sold was 255. Well, actually went like way above 300, but then drop and then goes back again. But let's check out size 11 and a half. This is the size 11 and a half. So let's check out how much profit what we could make. So 11 and a half, as you can see right there. So 255, 264, 255, another 264. Most of them as of today. So let's say I wanted to sell it on 264. Okay, my profit would be, after payment and processing fee, I should be making 233. So 233, or converted to 234. Let's say 234. 234 minus 212 by cost, it is $22. So if you wanna do a quick flip now, you can get the money for $22. So not bad for that one. Well, how about we check out gold? So here we go. 270 size. This one is size 11 and a half. Okay, so we have a top offer right now. If we wanted to sell it now, we could sell it now for 260, but the lowest price that was asking is 270. But today some of them are mostly 270 have been sold today. So I would say I'm gonna go on that price, 270. Well, wanna do a quick flip now, keep the other one for a little bit more higher profit, but I would say quick flip the other one and then leave a profit, bigger profit for the other one. But it depends on you, because Like this one, 270. So how much profit like that? No, hold on. 270, that should be after fees, is 239 right there. 239. Okay, 239. All right, 239 minus 2.9% of PayPal fees, 232, minus the buy cost is 212. That should be $20. Well, it's much more cheap, much more bigger profit, somewhere almost just the same with the StockX and Gold. So how about that? Well, what do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Well, on this price, would you like to sell them? Can you please leave a thumbs up and please leave a comment? I would love to hear your thought. So how about this one? Let's check out the other one. It's just the same pair, but let's take them out. Ooh, right? Can't believe this one. Here we go. 2 pair, not bad, 2 pair. So I would say invest. They said because it's a massive release of this one and lot of GS toddler, I would say one of a kind that we wanted to invest into. Not just like the Jordan 1 that you can make a lot of money, but if you are into the sneaker game wherein you like the history of Jordan and the history of this sneaker that he had a 69 points, you can't believe that. So I would say keep it for like a year or so, but if you want to flip it like $20, $30, then go ahead. You just want to take your money, but it is much better than stocks, like what's going on with the stocks right now. I would say it is much better to have a sneaker to reinvest it, because especially it will go up the price. Hope I wish I could have been my size, but hey, probably we might find something in the Nike factory store that they return it, just in case when the store open up. But anyway, what do you think on this one? I would love to hear your thought. Well, do you think that they would gonna have in the Nike factory store when they open? Well, probably. Can you please leave a thumbs up? And anyway, okay, that would be all. Please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thought. I hope you like this unboxing of the Air Jordan 5 Retro. Please leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And as always, Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo.